That's what you think?
Hold up, quiet down on the. About to have a room. Y'all ready?
I said Mr. Charts is back.
Hold up, you getting up to that? Up. That's it. Up, up. You fucking up the panel. Turn the music down, y'all. Turn the music down. We're about to have a real nigga moment. Quiet the panel down. Yo, everybody ready?
Yes.
All right, so about to have this real nigga moment. Hold on real quick. KP, come on up. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
All right, so I want to talk about right, y'all. I'm a
Don't
real,
shy.
and this is a real nigga moment. No, no. They have beautiful. I'm. You ready? It's a real nigga moment. The realest you ever met in your life. Remember that. No, no. That was the realest shit ever, bruh. Y'all
Oh
go.
my god.
Huh? Yeah. About what? You and Kite? What about it? You want to have sex with him?
Being real.
That's what y'all want. That's what you want.
Hmm.
That's what you came here for. Why was it different? You just said, yeah, that's what you wanted.
I knew that shit.
It's not what you need. What do you need? You want that? You want that meat? That meat. This is blackpeoplemeat.com.
I
Come
can't.
on. She want that beefcake.
Knowledge mingle.
Huh?
I said
Not it.
knowledge mingle.
Yeah.
You're not playing no music tonight?
What's going on? You came here for a kite. Yeah, we knew that. What do you mean things really are? What? Who told you? Kite told you was gonna be. He said you gonna come here. We're gonna be all happy. He's, you wasn't watching us online. I mean, we happy, but we ain't jolly. Yeah. Like what did he tell you? He told you was gonna come here. We gonna be a big happy family.
Mm-mm.
Oh, so Kite. Hold on. Let me tell Kite. Let me tell Kite to come up here. Kite gonna false advertise to you. Kite want to get him some. Kite want to get him some. He done told you whatever he could tell you to get you here. I feel it. Now that you're here, what is your feeling now? It's something to take serious, huh? Yeah. So, but like, so you came in for the wrong reasons.
Mhm.
You want to keep learning, so you don't want kite no more. Which one is it? Do you want kite or do you want to be a big happy family? You want yourself. But you just asked the girls today, can you go downstairs and have sex with her? You hot and bothered. You hot and bothered. Them eggs are jumping. You 23 years old. Yeah. And you bold with your shit. You like, fuck it. I just get my fuck on. So he just basically lured you in. Like, yo, yeah, okay. Yo, where the walkie at? Hey, Aya, tell Kite, pull up. What's up, man?
Yo,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
you deal with some shit, nigga.
Bro,
Mm-mm.
this shit I'm going through, bro. Kite done put a,
Them niggas horny, nigga.
yeah, they want to get it. They want to get it popping. Come on in, Kite.
At least he was able to bag one.
He bad. Come on in, Kite. So you told her she gonna come here and she gonna have a happy family? You ain't say that? What'd you say?
Oh my God.
So she came here for you instead of a spiritual journey. And of course, I'll be blamed for all of this. This will all be my fault.
Mm-hmm.
Everything, yeah, this will all be my fault. But it's all good though. You wanna leave with her? You sure? It's your lady, man. You should you should do like the other guys do, man. Just leave with you got your lady. That's what people come here for. A lady. You met your soulmate. There she go, right there. But she can't be here no. She gotta leave. We're gonna give her a flight back to where she came from. But you could go with her. You're welcome to go. You sure? Okay. All right. Think about it, man. Go to sleep on it. Maybe you'll change your mind. You sure? You sure? Okay. Where's she from, man? You flew in from? That's where you should. Okay. Well, we gotta get you a flight back to Chicago. I would let you just smack it real quick, but I don't want you to get her pregnant. And she, get her pregnant and she, some head. I don't want you to get her pregnant and she put you on child support. But y'all, I mean, should we give them a night together, y'all? It's up to the people. A night of passion, y'all. What y'all say?
Let him
It's
bust the
up to the
nut.
people. You said yes. Everybody saying
She
yes.
she
Let
took
him
the
bust the
flight,
All
nut.
yes.
nigga.
I
She took
mean,
the flight.
All right, y'all. Let's spend the night together.
She might not want it. She might have seen him in person and was like, "Hell nah, I'm cool."
Nah, she pretty much seemed like she like him.
Well, you might as well let that go ahead go down. He probably
Yeah.
backed up anyway.
ay, ay, ay.
What y'all say, huh? They said yeah.
Let him bust the nut. That's what she wanted.
Flew all the way over there, so she might as well
We all the way over here for nothing.
get something out of it.
Y'all going to spend the night together, man. Move out.
Might as well get something out of it. The trip.
All right. No. We'll be getting you a flight tomorrow. At 18 pull up. Shit, I got to deal with, man.
Life, I
Oh my
wonder,
God, Baba.
will it take me under?
Hey,
I
hey,
don't know.
it's y'all idea to let them smash for the night. That's
No, it's
y'all.
not even that. It's not even that. It's the way that she came.
Huh?
I don't know.
Huh? Real nigga moment happened anyway. Shit crazy. Yeah. Never a dull moment. Come on in. Yo, Dave over here bugging. Who's got the TV on?
Not me.
Nah, that's me. That's me. I'm gonna mute myself.
Hey, come on in. Hey, get her a ticket back to Chicago, please. Tomorrow.
He
Like,
said
all
that's
right,
a fact.
all right. Y'all know her name and stuff. All right, one more. No. All right.
Wow.
Now all these women probably gonna be trying to pull up. We ain't letting this happen again,
Mm-mm.
huh?
How there? Was she just there for a
Oh,
day?
she took the test? Nah, she don't need no test. She already told me. She said she came in for kite. She just let us know. Let it be known. She didn't come in for the knowledge. She came in for kite. She want to have sex with kite.
Wow.
Yep.
Mm-mm.
Real nigga moment. Let me let some more people on the panel so they could talk about their feelings about it. Y'all the reason why it's going down tonight for them. Because if it was up to me, I'd have been like, hell no. No.
It's crazy. Crazy.
And if he's smart, he ain't gonna do it.
Right.
Oh my God. No, you did not put her. Oh my God. Lord, what kind of panel are we having?
Hey, 21.
Hi, Nature Boy. Can you meet the panel?
No,
No.
we don't do it over here.
Well,
Everybody over
somebody's
here.
talking smart to me, so I feel like I should have the right to address them.
Who?
I don't know who it was because I'm high. You know who it was?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness.
That's what a shape up people do, man. That's what a shape up does to men. Telling you, I used to get niggas right like that all the time, B. Just get that shape up, they go life change. Straight
Oh,
up. Straight like that.
Hi, y'all.
Hey. All right,
Baba
so
G.
what's going on? What's your thoughts on it?
Fifi here. Now, I do not agree with whoever said yes to Master Kite. I do not want Kite planting no seed in that Chicago girl and that seed get taken away to the Windy Cindy back up in Babylon. She gonna have so much heartache and pain. We just seen it happen with you. We seen it happen with Master Pisces. We seen it happen with Master Musa. And you're right. If Kite was smart, he wouldn't hit that.
It's a
But
test. It's a test to his will.
but when that girl said she couldn't eat that clean food, I was thinking to myself, "Oh my goodness, what in the Chicago what?" Then okay, don't do it, Kate. Hold on to yourself. I got my hand on your ooh right now, Kate. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Master Kate, don't do it because it's gonna be heartache and pain. And you know he right now, if he hit anything, it's gonna get pregnant. If he hit anything, it's gonna be pregnant. If he just blow on it, bam, twins.
Just pull out.
That boy ain't got no pull out game, Baba G.
Y'all the only reason why he getting this situation right now.
He should be getting it.
The people said they want him. They said the panel said yes. Everybody in the chat said yes.
But listen, I got that Scorpio energy. And I really want for Master Kite what I would want from one of my own sons. And I wouldn't want
Nah,
one of my own sons
don't let him
pulling
hit
those
that raw.
Chi-Town girls up in my house
That raw.
who came in here
He
smelling
can't
like
hit that raw.
uh, pepper sandwiches. I know she came right in front of the
wait a
Messiah
minute.
and
Why are we
herself.
so listen, this is what happened to me when I things I don't understand is why do we beat the hell out of these women? She's a misguided young girl. Why does she smell like sandwiches and bullshit and meat and all this other stuff? Why?
Whose phone is that?
It's number 8, I think, or somebody, I don't know.
Number 8. Your
Me?
phone is messing up.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me mute myself.
Yeah, why I don't know if we necessarily have to resort to calling her names. She's a young woman. She's a misguided young woman who came there on a pill and a plan. That's it. She going home tomorrow. That's all that is to it.
And you coming here tomorrow.
Papa, don't put this on me. These people, you know how they is.
You on the next flight in for then we gonna fly you back out the next day.
Listen,
Baba G.
I'm not gonna do it though.
Mama Sonny, I'm not calling the girl names. I
This
just
gonna be the
love
new thing now. This the girls gonna be coming. I wanna come for the knowledge.
right. I'm
I
not
wanna come
calling her
for the
names.
I'm coming for the come.
I know you're not, Mama. I know you're not, sister. I'm just saying, even in the beginning, though, I noticed in the comments, and And then the snickles and stuff like that, and it broke my heart. It broke me so bad because at the end of the day, she is a person, and no matter what Baba G makes the decisions, he makes decisions that none of us will see off this app. So you guys can, we have to also understand that as a force, we have to build, something a little bit different and let him handle what he handles. But as far as, breaking, adding to whatever it is that you guys think is just kind of different to me. That's what they did to me. I'm this, I'm that, I'm a lie, I'm nothing, I'm this, which was all it was all lies. So, he's a very good judge of character, and it's fun to watch the shit. But as far as us saying what this young girl is not. By the time she leaves there, she's going to have 30,000 trolls and 100,000 new followers. So,
Yeah.
we don't have to design who she is. Let them design it.
But
I
it's
don't know.
one
Let me shut up because I can
it's
keep
one thing I
going.
want to say, and that's it's Baba G don't have too many Scorpios and people who have a lot of Scorpio energy around him. So by me getting this opportunity to tell him how I feel about a situation, it may actually be the opposite opinion from what the majority is thinking.
I
Nobody.
think it's wonderful. I think
Hold
what
I
on
she
real
agree
did,
quick,
with
it
guys.
Sunny.
wasn't to you. It wasn't to you, Mama. It wasn't to you at all. It was just a
Can I
traumatic.
can I ask Kate Dolly who she is? What's going on?
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. What's going on?
Oh, I was just joining to see if y'all would let me in, but I was just listening to the conversation, trying to get an understanding.
What's your age?
I'm 18.
Okay, take it easy. Hey, so go ahead, y'all.
Hi.
What's going on, Stacy? So what's go ahead. What y'all said again?
My mother instincts have went off. That was all. That's all I had.
No,
Who
you was
said their
right,
mother
Sonny.
instinct?
Everything you said was right. That shit was right on point, Sonny. It was needed to be said. You said it
Y'all
real
don't
politely in a
you don't say my
Nah, she
lady
was
name
right.
like that. Don't say my
Come
lady
on, my
name.
nigga. I don't want. You know it ain't like that with me and you, God. You know.